Hello everybody and welcome to another episode. In today's episode I'm going to show you how to completely remove and replace the rear differential oil from any Mercedes-Benz E Class W213 which is made from the year 2016 to 2022. Right here in my hand I have the brand new oil which I'm going to use today for this kind of vehicle and for this rear differential, and the manufacturer is telling you to use 75W85. And for this kind of vehicle especially, and for this rear differential, you will need between 0.8 liters to 1.2 or maximum 1.3 liters of brand new oil into the rear differential. Right here, right at the bottom, you will find the drain plug bolt, and just a little bit above, you will find the filling plug bolt. You'll have to remove first the filling plug bolt and then the drain plug bolt and drain all the oil, and after that you'll have to close the drain plug bolt and you'll have to put the brand new oil through the filling plug bolt right here at the top, and you'll have to put oil until you see that the oil is leaking out from the filling plug bolt. So from here, just watch exactly what I'm doing and how I'm doing it, and in this way you are also going to be able to do it yourself at home, on your car, and with regular tools. Okay guys, so in my case, all the oil which was installed inside the rear differential is completely drained out. I just installed back the drain plug bolt, and you will have to tighten it to around 35 millimeters. And after that, you'll have to take the oil, which you'll have to use for the rear differential, you'll have to put it over the exhaust pipe, and then with the small bottle, you'll have to push it into the hole from the rear differential. And after that, you'll have to pour enough oil into the filling plug hole from the rear differential until you see that the oil is coming out from the filling plug hole. Then you'll have to put the filling plug bolt, tight it to 35 millimeters, and then the job will be done. Very good everybody, so as also, those are all the things and all the steps which you'll have to do and follow if you want to completely remove or replace the rear differential oil from any Mercedes-Benz E Class W213, which is made from the year 2016 to 2022. Thank you all very much for watching. If you like the video and found it informative, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give me a comment and a like down below. See you next time.